Hey Tulsa, it's me again, Jonathan Witte, General Manager for the Oliveto Italian Bistro located at 91st and Memorial. Over the past few weeks, I've shared with you some of our delicious entrees, ranging from pastas, seafood, sandwiches, and even entree salads. So today, I'll be making everybody's favorite food, pizza. For today's segment, I've chosen to make our delicious Portofino pizza. Our Portofino is made with a pesto garlic Alfredo sauce with sauteed mushrooms, caramelized red onions, sliced grilled chicken, mozzarella and provolone cheeses, and topped with fresh basil. This pizza has a unique combination of flavors. Come back to the kitchen with me and we'll make one together. Everyone knows great pizza starts with homemade dough. Here at Oliveto, we make our dough from scratch daily. First, we'll take our dough ball and place it on a clean surface sprinkled with corn flour. We'll hand stretch our dough until it gets around 10 inches in diameter. Next, we'll dock our pizza. Docking prevents the pizza from getting air bubbles. Then, we'll sauce our pizza. For this pizza, we'll use a pesto garlic Alfredo sauce. We basically mix our basil pesto with Alfredo sauce and we'll spread about 2 ounces on our dough. Then, we'll add 2 ounces of mozzarella and provolone cheese, 2 ounces of grilled sliced chicken, 2 ounces of sauteed mushrooms, 1/2 ounce of caramelized red onions, and we'll spread these ingredients evenly over the cheese. Finally, we'll sprinkle 1/2 ounce of grated Asiago cheese over the top of our ingredients before placing in the woodstone pizza oven to bake. Our pizzas bake at over 500 degrees, which gives them a crispy but tender crust. The cooking time is only about 4 minutes, so we'll make sure to rotate the pizza several times so it gets cooked evenly. While our pizza finishes cooking, let's prep our fresh basil garnish. To cut a fresh herb like basil, we simply stack our basil leaves on top of each other, then roll them into a tight bundle. Next, take a sharp French knife and starting at the base of the knife, we'll make a rocking motion as we move our hand down the length of the basil bundle. This process gives you a nice long julienned basil cut. After our pizza comes out of the oven, we'll brush the crust with garlic butter. Cut it into slices and garnish with our freshly cut basil. So there you have it, our popular Portofino pizza. If this pizza looks good to you, let us make one for you today. If you're ready to dine with us again, our patio and dining room are now open. If you prefer curbside carryout, call or order online at olivetobistro.com, or for delivery, use our delivery partner DoorDash or Grubhub. We look forward to seeing and feeding your family soon.